For our last project pop-up, we'll be using all the skills that we've learned so far in Photoshop, plus a few extras. The first new tool we're introducing you to is the Pen tool in Photoshop. And our Pen tool can work two ways. Here in our design, we have both our picture of ourselves and our phone. The first thing is we're going to turn off the picture of ourselves. And like I said, we're going to look at the Pen tool. And here's our Pen tool. We're going to make a shape or remake a screen. In order to use the Pen tool, we have two options. You have path or shape. We're going to use both in this project. For the first one, we want to go to shape. And then we're going to go over to the fill, because this is where you control the color of the shape. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to zoom in by going Command plus. I'm just going to click. And I'm going to click from corner to corner. Corner. Notice that white is being filled in. Corner. Now in this case, I actually have my thumb, so I'm going to click and drag, just like we used the Pen tool in Illustrator. You may not have to do this depending on your screen. I'm going to hold down the Command key to move the anchor point. And then I must end where I started. Now I've created a new screen. We're going to go back to our Move tool to deselect it. It doesn't look great right now because it's too clean around the edges. So in order to make it feel more natural, we're going to come down and use our effects. Effects are ways of adding to pixels special effects. And here we're going to do an inner shadow. So I'm going to go with my measurements around opacity. Let's go to 80. Distance. We'll keep it at 5. And our size, I'm going to go at 18. And I don't want any choke on it, so I'm going to move the choke to 0. Yeah, because I want a nice clean edge, maybe more of a distance. Okay. So find what looks really good for you. Now it looks like a screen with a shadow in it, and that looks good. And hit OK. I'm going to move it down, one below. I'm going to turn myself back on.